This quick video is about the 3-book icon, which you can find in Reference Library. It's right here. I had clicked it, and when you click it, you get this drop-down menu. Let's say that we want to look at only cases in our reference library. Click here, hit OK, and now you're looking at a list of all the cases. You can actually go in and say, I want to look at journals and cases. You can do more than one at a time. And now you're looking at the journals, and you're also looking at the cases. To remove a filter, if you want to go back to your entire reference library, you click on the purple circle. It works the other way too. Here we had started from books. If you want to be in remedies, and let's say you want to look at cases of pulsatilla, I'm going to go ahead and set this to case. Okay. And now I'm going to type to search PULS. And now I'm going to look at the cases of pulsatilla. You can create your own book categories as well. I'm going to remove this filter. I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to show, you can scroll down to the bottom. I had created ballonnosos. Let me show you how I did that. Click on Custom, Create, and you enter a name for your custom category. Let's say that I want a category of only the Vermeulen books. And I name it, I hit OK. And now I'm going to go and find, I'm going to type to search Vermeulen. You can scroll too and look, but I'm going to type to search up here to find all my Vermeulen books. And here they all are. And so I'm going to select them, each and every one, so that I can have a Vermeulen category. Keep going. A lot of plant books. All right, there we go. I've got all the Vermeulen books in my library, all checked. I'm going to make a category with them. At the very bottom is the Save button. I'm going to click on that. Now when I go in here and I scroll down, you can see this right here. And I can check it, hit OK. And now I'm in Remedies, remember, and I've got Pulsatilla selected, but everything underneath each Pulsatilla remedy is Vermeulen. And if I go over into books, and all I see is the Vermeulen books because I've selected that category. And the really neat thing is that you can come over here in Global Search, Reference Library. Remember, this all has to do with the reference library, not your repertories. Reference library, category. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find my category I created. It's added over here. And I'm going to hit apply. And now anything that I search, the result is going to be showing in reference tab with just the Vermeulen books. I'm going to look for something related to fear. I'm just going to type fear within 5 words of dark. And I'm going to activate this search. Now, here's the repertory side. Remember, the Vermeulen books have nothing to do with the repertory side. We filtered for the references. So let's hop over to the Reference Library tab. And now I'm looking at everything related to fear within 5 words of dark in the Vermeulen books that I put into that category. And if you're ever wondering, oh, which book is which, if you just click on a line here, you can be taken straight to the reference. All right, thank you. I hope this video has been very helpful to you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.